Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, it's fairly early in the morning. It is 6:42 a.m. on April the 20th. And I'm up trying to create cluster embellishments. Now, I'm going to show you two that I've done already. And then I'll do one online, listen at me, on video. This is the first one I did. And here's the second one. And the second one, I put the paper clip behind to make it, and I guess they call it an invisible paper clip. So let me show you some of the things that I use. Okay guys, I really didn't want to download anything. I wanted to try to make everything. Or, you know, buy authentic stuff, not digital stuff that somebody has copied and sold me. But for this project, I actually went and downloaded these right here. It was a set of 4 on the page, and these are vintage library cards. I think that's what they call these. I'll put the link to it in the description box below if I don't forget. And I downloaded some vintage photos of some African American ladies. I made these things right here out of book pages, some cardstock, and my stamps. Which one is that? Happiness. And here's my happiness stamp right here. So I got happiness and shine left. And these flowers right here were a gift from Leela at Crafts and Halls with Leela. So I'm using her too. Well, actually the 4 flowers that she made for me. Okay, so what I did was I wanted to use the whole thing, but I just went on to cut the extra off. And I'm actually kind of surprised that I'm doing this kind of straight on the fly, like I'm doing it. And if I get out of frame, y'all please forgive me. It's almost 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm actually surprised that I am actually up. Because I went to bed early last night. Okay. Alright, so get that out the way. And now I'm going to ink the edges. This one is inked with this right here. This is the Distress one. This is Ground Espresso. And this one is inked with Vintage Photo. So I'm going to use this one again, the Ground Espresso. I think I kind of like the Ground Espresso a little better, only because it's just more distinct, I guess. Okay, here we go. And let me grab a couple of paper clips because I want to work around the paper clips. 1 and 2. You know, I may just do one more hidden paper clip and use the other one as a tuck spot. That's what I can do. So let me just put the paper clip, and I'm going to put the short side on the inside, like so. And then I'm going to work around it. Okay, I cut out some pieces of tool. This is the tool that I used when I was trying to make rosettes. This is the glitter one. So I'm just going to put a piece on both. Let me put this down some. And I was trying to figure out how to use these things too, but of course I have no clue. And I don't know if I really want those in this journal. So put that one there and this one here. And still have the two ladies, see, on the right side. So I'm gonna have to fix this one like this so I can put the tuck spot on the right side. So I'm gonna have to go have everything going to the left. So let's get everything to the left, and I got to ink those. Let me see, where is my, and it's right here in my face. Vintage photo plus a brush and the flowers. And it doesn't take much for these. Just need a little something on them. One. And two. Okay. And I think for the tuck spot, I'm going to use this bigger word, happiness. And then for the other one, I'll use shine. So let's take out the ground espresso again and just get these. That. And even though this one has vintage photo around it, I'm going to use the ground espresso. Okay, that's the end of that. Okay, switch these over here. Uh-oh. I got to get another piece of tulle. Did I have it out here? I thought I had it out here already. I guess not. I probably dropped it back over here. So I got another piece of tulle to go on the hidden paper clip. Okay. So just gonna put these like this. Oh, no wonder it was sitting on top. Okay, now these two ladies right here, I'm going to use my punch, and it's the ticket punch. This thing, I think this is a Biscars. No, this is the EK Success or EK one. And I'm going to use this to punch these ladies out. And I printed them. They were just some pictures on Pinterest. And I printed them out on 110 weight or 100-pound cardstock, whichever one it is. Like so. So both ladies right here. And those ladies are not inked, but I'm going to ink these because basically I forgot to. And I'm going to use the ground espresso again. Okay, that's one. And that's two. And let's see. I'm just gonna put these ladies on here, like so, just to get a feel for where I am. candle like that. And this one as well. Let me move these around. Push that up. Maybe let me put that at an angle like that. And this is going to be a tuck spot. There we go. I think that'll work. Just like that. And I think she will be a really nice paper clip. So let me get her glued down. I'm just going to use some, what is this? I can never remember, art glitter glue. And I'm really just going to lift this up and try not to move it too much. And I'm just going to put some art glitter glue down and try to keep it where it's supposed to be. Pick this up some so I can manipulate her a little bit. It's gonna hide the whole card because the word is so big. It's gonna hide the whole card, but I guess it doesn't matter too much. She can be a little out there. That's cool. Put a little art glitter glue back here to hold her in place. Put some art glitter glue on here to hold the flower in place, as well as the tool behind it. There we go. And that'll be the tuck spot. Now let's get the paper clip together. I would like some of the cards showing behind the paper clip like on the other two. Like this. Yeah, like that. And I have her over there. I guess she can be that way. I don't guess it'd be a bad thing. So let's see if we can get her on here. We'll get all of this on here without hopefully I can remember how everything is situated. Let me put it that way. So I'm going to glue this on top of the, I'm going to call it mesh, whatever it's called. The tool, the glitter tool. Got that on there. Let me see, hold on. Okay. There we go. Let me just adjust it just a little bit, nothing serious. So we got that on. I'm gonna put my lady on. I'm just gonna get around close to the bottom, not come up more than half, and if I need to put extra on, that'll be fine. Okay, and if I need to put more on to hold her in place, I will. And I'm gonna put some on here. And there we go. There you go. Okay, so I messed up the tool on this one. There's no tool showing here. There's some at the bottom. I wish there was some at the top. I could still put some under there because it's space. Let me see if I can finagle and make it look like some up under there. If I could find a little piece of tool that I just threw around. And of course I can't. And I don't want to. There it is. So I may be able to cut a piece of this off. Let me see if I can get this under there to have some tools sticking out the top. Kind of like that. So I will leave this here like so. Push it down, come on. Get on in there. Come on. Any of you guys have this problem? Trying to do stuff on camera and see like everything goes wrong. It just don't want to act right. Okay. Because it doesn't seem like it wants to go any further than... Okay, I think I got it. Okay. That's better. Just needed to peek out somewhat. There we go. Now let me put some adhesive right here, and that'll hold the picture and that thing in place, and right here on this flower, and that'll hold the flower and the tool in place. There we go. Look, this petal seems to be a little loose. Let me put a little something on the petal. There we go. That should hold everything in place. So here we are. This is the paper clip. Here we have a tuck spot for the left side of the page. Oops, I'm sorry. Let me try that again. Here we have the paper clip. Here's the tuck spot for the left side of the page. Or the left page. This is a tuck. No, this is the paper clip. Another paper clip. And this is a tuck spot for the right side of the page. Okay guys, that's it for this little really quick video on the fly. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.